Okie dokie, we're getting ready to make a barbecue pizza. And I start with this Red Baron classic crust. And it's the 4-cheese pizza. It's thin crust and it's great. Here it is on my lovely pizza stone thing that is ugly. Anyway, then I sprinkled a little bit of the red pepper. And here I've got a package of pork barbecue that I had frozen, so I'm going to sprinkle that on top, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, now I've added the barbecue pork, and I'm going to show you what else I'm going to add. I'm going to saute some onions and green peppers till they kind of get a little bit soft. And once they've done that, then I'm going to add these Roma tomatoes and mushrooms, just to kind of soften it up rather than expecting the oven to do all this work. And I'll be adding all this on top of the barbecue meat. Okay, here's my veggies. They're slightly softened good, and I put some barbecue sauce on over the meat. Okay, here's the pizza with the veggies and some barbecue sauce poured over it. Now I'm getting ready to add some cheese. Okay, here it is. And I've just topped it with some Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese and a little bit more of the crushed red peppers. So I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees and leave it for about 30, maybe 35 minutes. Make sure it's all good and melty and yummy. Okay, here's the pizza. I forgot to take the video. We chowed down and ate half of it. It's wonderful. Well, if you're lucky enough to have some leftover pizza, here's what you need to do. I sprayed my pan with just a little bit of Pam, and I've got the knob slightly below the high. Can you hear it sizzling? Anyway, I'm going to take and put the lid on. Now, the advantage of this is that it doesn't get soggy. It's going to crisp up the bottom and just heat it through. So it almost tastes just like it did last night. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, my pizza's all heated. It didn't take long to have to turn that pan down. It was on almost high, so I turned it down to a low to let it heat all the way through. So now we're going to do a taste test. Oops. Good. Crunchy and everything.